back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, this is going to be a video about how I got these super cute, super simple twists. I didn't feel like being bothered with my hair for a couple days, so I was like, okay, let's twist it up. And yeah, so in this video I'm going to show you what products I use, or you know, and how I achieve this look. In the video I show you step by step, but I don't tell you that I did do the banding method overnight as I slept to kind of stretch them so they wouldn't shrink up as much. And I did in the morning after I took the bands out, I did go ahead and spray it with some oil, and this is what I use. I'm rocking. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and also if you guys could like comment down below some other video suggestions that you would like, as far as different hairstyles you want me to try, or just any suggestions you might have. I'm going to be uploading more videos, and I am going to keep doing my rice water updates as well. So I just want some other suggestions that you guys might like to see. Anyway, let's get into the video.
Products that you are going to need are water. You're going to need a leave-in conditioner. I am using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil one. I'm also going to use the Talia Wajid Curly Curl Cream. And now you're going to see me sectioning off my hair. Also, I do want to note that in the video you are going to see me apply the water and the leave-in. You aren't going to see me apply the curly curl cream because this is a 3-day old wash and go, and the curly curl cream was already in my hair, and once I sprayed the water on it I could still feel the product in there, so I didn't feel the need to add more. So I just spray my hair down with the water, get the section nice and wet, then I added the leave-in conditioner and detangled before I started to twist. You guys can see here I'm still spraying my hair down. I don't want it soaked, but just about, because I feel like that's going to give me the best look I'm going for. I am going to finger detangle my hair first, apply my leave-in conditioner, and then go ahead and detangle my hair regularly with my brush. And please ignore my faces throughout this video because I am singing my little heart out. You guys know how it is when it's time to do your hair. You have a playlist going, so I got, you know, singing face going. And this part is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just going to take a small section and begin to 2-strand twist it. These are mini twists, so I did want to use, like I said, small sections. This first twist is actually quite big compared to the rest of the sections that I do, but do what you feel works best for you, the size that you want them to be. If you are going for the mini twist style, I would recommend you doing this size or smaller.
stars out the sky for you. Last section, y'all. Oh. We almost done with these twists. It's been about 3.5 hours. There's nothing in this world that I wouldn't do if I could be your girl. This is the final look. These are my twists. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.